So remember, short people have long faces, and long people have short faces. Big people have little humor, and little people have no humor at all. Make them laugh, make them laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad said be an actor, my son. Not be a comic, one they'll be stabbed in your mind, or in those old shines. Now you're the sunny chefs now, and you like to eat. John Riggs and have nothing to eat, but slipping out the man and feel the world to defeat. Make them laugh, make them laugh, make them laugh, make them laugh.
It's a little hard to imagine. Could you tell it to me again?